That's 2000. Okay. So I recently got some 595s installed brand new in the rear, and then I noticed the car started driving kind of weird, so I picked up some 595s for the front. These are 225 45s and these are 235 40s, so I raised up the car just a little bit just in case, because we have carbon fiber fenders. But we're gonna go throw them on right now, see how she looks. Alright guys, so a few hours later, went and got her a wash. Front tires are on, so now I have matching Federal 595s on the front and rear, and it looks so good. Car drives so much better now. So the reason I got the matching fronts is because I had to replace the rears, and then the car drove all stupid. I think so. I had the same size on the rear, but I think the Federal 595s are even wider than like other tires. So yeah, I got the matching front and back. Now I just need an alignment and maybe hit up some back roads, like some canyon runs. I don't know if you guys want to see a video of that, of just me mobbing through some like canyons and like some mountains or something, then let me know, because I've been wanting to drive her, push her, you know, decently hard through some turns. Need a track day for sure, but sir. What is up guys? So I originally recorded an intro for this vlog, but the fucking mic wasn't plugged in all the way, so I had no audio. So basically what happened was I dropped off the cozies to get the curb rash fixed. I ordered some stickers for it, so when I get the wheels back, then I'm gonna paint them and slap on the stickers, and they should look like fucking brand new. So I took 3 wheels to get fixed. One of them was like normal, it was like fine, so I took 3 of them to get fixed. So that's what happened. I picked up Marcel and we dropped off the wheels, and then the rest of the vlog is just some random shit. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna add too much to the rest of this vlog. It's pretty much gonna just be me and the homies. I recorded them, you know, we were just cruising and shit, and then I was getting some rollers. So that's pretty much what the vlog is gonna be, you know, the homies and shit. Alright guys, so literally on the other side of this truck is Brian, and it's so fucking funny because we're on the freeway, we didn't plan this at all, and he's coming back from a drift event, and like we had no plans together, and we met up on the freeway, like complete different plans at different times, and he's right on the other side of this truck. So I'm gonna try to pull up. I don't think he's seen me yet, but that's just funny. Like, what's the odds of that? You hear that muscle car?
Hear that AC? That's what I hear. This motherfucker good.
Hey, you need a... So we just dropped off the wheels at JP Wheel Repair. So if you guys need anything wheel related, curb rash, bends, any type of wheel damage, they got you. So yeah, just let them know Broke Boys sent you, and they'll take care of you. So big shout out to them. I already know they're gonna take care of the cozies, and I can't wait to pick them up. I already bought the stickers for them as well, so once I get them back, we're gonna paint them and put on the stickers, and they should look like brand new wheels. So I'm hyped. But what are we about to do right now, Marcel?
Honestly, I don't even know, bro.
Me neither.
I really don't. Well, you know, we whipping the V6 first of all. You know, we got that Mustang. It's a classic. You feel me? It's a 07?
It's a 07. It's a classic.
Ooh.
It's a V6.
It's a V6. We in the V6 and we smashing. You see that dash? That shit is flashing. Nah, I'm just playing. You know what I'm saying? It's a Broke Boys in this bitch. You know it's a gang. We cruising in the traffic, nigga, and it's a classic, nigga, and it's a V6.
one toe on the gas pedal.
Hey, we going 60.
Bro.
We going 65.
One
70.
toe.
Hey, we about to go 80. Oh, we mobbing.
Chop.
You got chopped with the big toe.
Chop.
You got chopped by a big toe.
Alright, so we waiting for Jesse right now. What we about to do?
Honestly, I don't know. Probably get some footage, some rollers probably.
Oh, maybe shoot some new fresheners that
you could, yeah.
That you
Oh yeah, huh? Where they at? I think they're.
Oh shit! What are these?
What are those?
Are these the new fresheners in progress?
Still work in progress though. But hey, shit, hey, double-sided though. You feel me?
Hey.
Ooh.
Hey, my boy coming out with big things.
That's what I'm saying. A little something. We got some more designs coming out soon.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Things coming, boys. Bro, where the fuck is this guy at? Oh, bro, I hate this guy.
Oh, this the wrong house.
Get off my property. Hey,
Get off my property.
Hey, what's up?
Get off my property.
Hey, you good? Hell yeah, bro.
What's up, G?
What's up? Haven't got you guys in the vlog in a minute?
Hey, where's this Uber taking us, bro?
I don't know. Where are we going? Uber? Hey, what the Uber smoking?
Bro,
Yo, hold on.
I
bro.
gave it to him.
Yo,
What the fuck?
Yo,
Yeah, he gave it to me.
Hey, are you
Hey, where we going?
Like that?
Hey, man, that's the
I'm
coolest
excellent
Uber
to
I've
drive
ever
like
been in,
this.
bro. What
Yo.
the fuck? Yo,
Hey, drive. Where we going? You want to go to Red Lobster?
Fuck it. Let's go. Alright guys, we got some good lighting right now, so gotta go shoot. Jose copped a car to you know, for the daily.
Cop the dad car real quick.
To be shooting movies out of, you know. This car is perfect. If you guys recognize these wheels, they're the same on Marcel CRV. Hey.
Got some hybrid wheels.
Hey, what kind of MPG you get, bro?
Fucking like 45.
Gosh,
I think.
bro.
40 or 45 or something like that.
Must be nice, bro. Hey, if you guys interested, wait, did you sell the TL yet?
Not yet.
Hey, if you guys are interested in TL, I know if you guys seen it on the videos before, but hit my boy up. Hit my boy up.
Yeah, for sure. Good for sure.
Bro, that shit looks so good right here.
Hey, what happened to you took yours off or something?
Yeah, I'm trying to put it back on. Oh, I hit my fender.
Damn, bro, that shit looks crazy.
Alright, before that sun goes down.
For real, looks crazy. Hey, so you still have your other wheels, right? But they're for sale?
Yeah.
How much? I'm about to put them on the S2000.
I told you to do a test, but you said no.
What size are they?
20s, 20 by 9s.
20 by 9s? Yeah, I think I can film on the S2000.
Yeah. Or just like high radius.
Yeah, I got caught in between or under my fucking
Yeah. How long you have it on for?
like 6 hours. 8 hours, probably some shit like that. Fucking sucks.
Be like that. So yeah, that shit got shoot up, bro.
Damn.
Private property.
That is one of those cars that be saying some shit like that.
Sir, this wheel height and the wheels, it's unsafe, sir. Sorry, sir, you can't have your wheels like this, sir.
Huh?
Your wheels, you can't have them like that, sir.
Oh, I thought you said something, my bad.
We gotta go get some night rollers. Damn, bro, I can't. Hey, before, guys, I was not able to vlog in nighttime. Now, yeah, this is crazy, bro.
You can see good as fuck.
Hell yeah.
That's that Sony life.
Hell yeah, my boy got Sony too.
That's a Sony life.